The resolution was approved unanimously. Everyone signed to it. Arab countries all signed to it. And Palestinians now can go to the Organization of Islamic Countries, which Turkey is a member of, and then go to the African National Union, and then to the UN Security Council on the 11th of February to say the Arabs are against it. There is a few nuances here and there, but what the Arabs said is we still support the Arab peace plan. It's not that they're saying we're against peace. They're saying here's our alternative. We have a very reasonable, acceptable alternative to since in 2002. Let's talk about that or make that the basis of peace. What Mahmoud Abbas is saying is we don't want the Americans alone to be the arbitrators of the conflict between us and Israel, because America and Israel are one. Trump is an emotional guy. He gets angry and he takes revenge. So they're trying to reduce the possibility of revenge by Trump. But there's a clear Arab decision here. And, you know, the Americans, basically, they went overboard. They overreacted. They overstepped their way. They made decisions that violate their own laws and international laws. And Arabs are saying to them, no way. And it's no longer the Palestinian issue. It's become an Arab and soon an Arab and Muslim and international issue. And I think already enough people in the US, in Europe, and others have already said that they're against it. The head of the Foreign Relations Committee in the US Congress has said they're against it.